So guys, here one more LeetCode Camp video has been came on the channel, and in today's video we are solving our question number 541 by the name of reverse string 2. Okay, so now let's try to solve this question, and this is a medium one question, sorry, easy one question which we are solving in today's video. And in today's video here are some of the topics which are included in that question. First topic name is 2 pointers and second topic name is string. Okay, so now please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss some of these type of videos on this Darian channel. And if you do not follow or bookmark my playlist yet, so go and bookmark it my playlist and access it. So now without taking your any time, without wasting your any long time, let's move to computer screen and let's do our coding with laughing it. So guys, here you can see we have come onto our computer screen. So like I have told you in my introduction, we are solving a 541 question by the name of reverse string 2. So now let's start to solve this question, and first of all we understand the question. What is the question is trying to say, then we'll be solve it in our LeetCode Camp. So now let's start. Now in today's video it has been given me one string s and integer k. And what we want to do with this string s and integer k, we want to reverse the first k characters for every 2k characters counting from the start of the string. If there are fewer than k characters left, then we reverse over all of them. If there are less than 2k but greater than or equal to k characters, then we reverse the first k characters and then we leave the other as original. Now in today's video it has been given me two cases, example 1, example 2. So let's read these both cases. Now let's come on it here. So if you see the example 1 here, he created one integer string by the name of s, in which he wrote down a b c d e f g, and then here he created one integer by the name of k, in which he wrote down 2, and the output is becoming b a c d f e g. Now why it is starting from b, why it is not starting from a? Let me tell you, because I write here 2 and a is in 1 and b is in 2. So that's why it is starting from b. If I write in the integer k, if I write here 3, so then it will be started from c. Okay, and then here will become b. Okay, then it will be start like this. Okay, a c a b then d f e g, like that. Okay, and if you see the case 2, in the case 2 there is same case 2. Here he given a string by the name of s, in which he wrote down a b c d, and then created a one string by the name of k, in which he wrote down 2, and it is starting from b a c d. Why? Because here I write 2. If I write here 4, so then it will be started from d. Okay, and like this, d a c b. Okay, like this. Now these are the constraints which it has been given me, so let's focus on the constraints. Okay, these are the constraints which it has been given me, which I used to solve this question. 1 less than equals to s dot length minus less than equals to 10 square 4, and then s consists of lowercase English letters. 1 less than equals to k less than equals to 10 and square 4. Okay, and then let's try to solve this question in the LeetCode Camp. And total 5,82,000 people had submitted this, and only 3,02,000 had been accepted. And there are some of the topics which is included by the name of 2 pointers and string. Okay, and this is an easy one question which we are solving. So let's start. So we are solving this question in the Python 3, because like you all the people know, from the starting we are solving all the question in the Python 3. So now let's start. So first of all here I define a class of a solution, because there is a rule of a LeetCode Camp. Whenever you start to solve any question, first of all you define a class of a solution. If you not define a class of a solution, so it has been give you an error. It will not accept your solution. Then define a def keyword and then define a reverse str. Str means string, self comma s str. Why I'm defining s is our string, and that's why I'm writing here str. Okay, then k. Now k is our integer, so k is an integer, so that I write here int and then str, because then our integer will be converted in the string. Okay, Now define here variable c in which you write 0, okay, or you can also be said integer. Define here while loop in which you multiply c multiply by k less than l length s. Now in this line here I am counting the length of our s string, okay, which we are using in today's video. Enter s equals to s c multiply by k minus s c multiply by k semicolon c multiply by k plus k, and then ratio minus 1 plus s c multiply by k plus k then ratio c plus equals to 2. Perfect. Now enter back, then here we return s. Now means here I am writing my output. S is our string. Now let's see the running code. So now we solve this question in the Python 3. So let's run it. And when I run this, so the running code is accepted or not. So it is giving me the syntax error. Okay. In the line 5. Okay. In this line. Okay. Okay. I by the mistake I defined this. We want to define this semicolon. Okay. Now let's see the running code. And when I run this code now, so now it is still giving me an error unsupported operand type s for minus semicolon string and string in line 5 in reverse str line 27. Okay, a b c d. Okay, now let's come on it here and then let's write. Okay, let's write here plus because it has been given me a operator error. Okay, arithmetic here in the assignment operator write this plus is our assignment operator. So now let's see the running code. Now let's see. So now it has been accepted. So here you can see our case 1, our expected output is B A C D F E G and my output coming same. The case 2 the expected output is B A C D and my output coming B A C D. Now let's see the submission code. So let's submit this code. Now when I submit this code, the submission code is also be accepted and I beat 100% people. Here you can see it. Here's the proof. Here you can see it. Now let's paste the solution. Easy solution and beats 100%. For explanation and understanding, visit YouTube channel Darian. Perfect. And then I'm posting the solution also. So here you can see in today's video we solved 541 question by the name of reverse string 2. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, so like, share, subscribe and don't forget to all the notification bell also. And we successfully completed our 200 question. So here you can see it in today's video we solved our 200 question and I have solved 200 question in the LeetCode camp successfully, yes, but maximum questions are 3540. So then now anyways here you can see we solved our 200 question very successfully, yes. And now I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy, so like, share, subscribe and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss about these type of videos on the channel. So let's meet you in the next video and next very amazing video on the channel, on this LeetCode camp channel. So for today, goodbye.